pin this first. Slide off the...
Oh, pin it to the footing?
Yeah. There's the footing in place.
Or whatever that piece of wood is called.
Yeah. It's technically a footing.
Is it? I was accidentally right, was I? That hardly ever happens.
We'll get you to come here and hold tape up against you.
Okay.
On the inside. I want to measure that. Sort of get these in this place. So we're 86 and an eighth over here. Okay, we've got quite a ways up. Let's find out what's square and what's not. Want to get it close here.
Right.
You hold it on the inside there.
I can.
Coming quite a bit. Okay.
Better?
Too much. Go there. That's just roughly right now. 39 3/4. Go to that corner.
What do you got?
Go back to that corner.
Within eighth of an inch? Isn't that our tolerance?
Yeah, it's about
Moving on to the door now?
yeah. We go 2 feet. We'll cut the pellet in half at 2 feet.
Okay.
That'll be one side.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 feet on the other side. That'll give us a fairly nice door.
Mm-hmm. How wide is the tough tote? Because if we have to move tough totes in and out, because remember we did that last year and then we had frost.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah.
Say you decide, oh, okay, we have to move stuff in to keep it warm. We took over your garage last year.
30 inches. That's about what we're gonna have.
Is it?
Close to it anyway.
Well, that's good. Just for now, we're gonna grab a good pellet. Mm-hmm.
Get the skill saw set up.
Right.
And we'll cut these 2 half ones.
Okay.
What I want to do is finish. Then we'll have to frame in the door.
Mm-hmm. Maybe he'll move in. That would be cool. Is that what you're looking for? That'll work.
There. How's the outside? Is it flush?
Just a second. Okay, and they have to do one inside there. One nail on the inside, pinning it to that footing near the corner. But what do you got out front here?
I haven't done anything yet.
Okay.
We have to square this corner off first.
Oh, I see. How is it? Want me to hold it while you do your deal? I think so. That should be good. Lots of space to get stuff in and out. If you need to, you can use the wheelbarrow to move dirt from the compost. Higher.
Might have to cut some of it out, I think, though.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to, because it seems like it's awful high.
There's a level behind you there, please.
Oh, it's way out. Yeah.
Way high. Okay.
Okay. Well, what the heck? What's it doing there?
Oak.
Oh.
I don't like using oak pellets.
Put one back here. Then it'll stop jumping around. You want me to hold it? I don't know. I know what you'd like to do, but please don't swear. Well, that looks good. Oh, that's what you wanted the 2x4s, to frame the door. You gonna use screws for that or nails?
I think screws. please?
Absolutely.
Funny, the eye just picks it up right away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's better.
That's better now. Okay.
We'll have to go around and redo it anyway.
So she's level.